Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you know how crucial it is to keep tabs on your spending to avoid surprises and stay on top of your budget. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the easiest ways to track your Chase Sapphire spending using tools right at your fingertips. Let's dive in. First off, download the Chase mobile app if you haven't already. It's free for iOS and Android. Once installed, log in with your credentials. You'll land on the dashboard, where you can see a snapshot of your accounts, including your Chase Sapphire card. This gives you an instant overview of your current balance and recent activity. Now, to get into the details, tap on your Chase Sapphire card icon. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your transactions, sorted by date. What makes this awesome is the ability to filter and search. For example, you can filter by date range, merchant type, or category like groceries, travel, or dining. This helps you pinpoint exactly where your money is going. One of my favorite features is setting up spending alerts. Head to the app's settings or notifications section, and customize alerts based on your spending limits. Set a threshold for categories, and you'll get a push notification when you're getting close. That's a game changer for budgeters. For a broader view, don't skip reviewing your monthly statements. Access them directly in the app or via the Chase website. This not only shows your total spending but also breaks it down by category, helping you spot trends and adjust your habits. To take it up a notch, integrate your Chase account with third-party budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. These tools can pull in your Chase Sapphire data automatically, making it easier to track against your overall financial goals. Finally, make this a habit. Check your spending at least once a week to stay proactive. Remember, tracking isn't just about monitoring. It's about gaining control and making smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you in the next video.